Wooi! Welcome to Cook and Vibe, people. You don't know things that, man. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe season 11. We're there with the family. Today we're in Grandspin. Today we're linking up a Christmas list. We've got the ghetto president there. You know, he's already very familiar face already.
Fully active, you know.
Don't have to introduce him.
That is it.
Yeah, you soon get another collaboration as well. Actually, we say we're just busy. The collaboration more time after when we reach over, so. But it's a 1YGP camp, do you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna link Christmas list again today, people, and we're gonna be giving you grand spend today. Yes, there's loads of good, positive stuff that followed from grand spend. We're gonna focus on that quite a lot. There's a lot of bad stuff happening lately, and we'll get into that as well. But for now, we're there. We'll show you around the place. We're gonna wait for Christmas list first, and get it rolling. If you haven't checked out George P's Instagram, make sure you go follow him right now. You get me? Check out YouTube and everything, you know, everything goes. We're there, grand spend. That is it. The G there, you know?
No, the thing in real life, one YGP, one camp.
That is it, bro.
So I say,
that
one
is it.
M.I. So I say, UK, Jamaica connection, you know, it's normal.
Yeah.
So I say, musical mission.
Sure.
That is it.
Sure. For trees then there and then things. So we say you, from over, if you walk through here, you could have walked from, we said earlier, but where you can walk to St. Thomas.
Any one of them yard,
Right.
Turn up Allardyce.
Right.
You got Cherry Yard.
Right.
Narby.
And then you could have walked a country from there.
Yeah, man, you can walk on the hill, go straight to St. Thomas.
So like back in the day, people, before they had transport, that's the people used to walk. Yeah, walk right from Kingston to countryside. Yeah. Mango tree. We should soon show you the little ganja tree over there. More and put that two actually go, oi over there.
Tree over the house there, so Beesbury tree there right there. So
Beesbury, yeah?
Hockey tree there right there, so.
See it there? So even in the ghetto, woolly puff fruits and niceness. We're focusing on the good stuff anyway.
The bees bush, you know. When you have coal, you know.
Oh, is it?
Make it dry, you know. This is the bush where the bees them follow.
Yeah?
But it's good for coal.
Right.
So when you stay some boom now, you make it dry like how it dry. You make it dry, you know, to, you see me?
Oh,
Cool up.
Yeah.
And you boil it if you have like a calf or like a coal, you boil it.
You know what they call it?
We call it the bees bush.
Bees bush.
Yeah.
Okay.
You know, this is the bush where the bees follow.
All right.
You see me, a coal bush. And also mix it with the leaf of life.
Right.
All in some pumpkin are good.
Yeah.
Later I say pumpkin are flow.
Yeah.
So I say.
I love that, man. And you see right here, people, if you recognize right here.
Soursop tree.
Okay.
I love them soursop.
Soursop tree.
See that?
So this is where we shot the video.
Yeah.
Do you remember the Knock It video?
Yeah,
Me and George, this right here was the video where we filmed it. We've done the scene down there. Yeah. History. Yeah. 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 So this is uptown, innit?
Yeah, man, uptown, man. Grandspin.
Yeah.
Get them as a Fagan.
Yeah.
Get me have Constant Spring Road, have Charlotte Road.
So and we done an episode before. We spoke about Mavado on the gully side and Savage. He lives
Savage house right there.
just behind us.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? So big up the G, big up Savage. Yeah, we're there, man. Wait for Christmas. Me and the G are just reason, right? And the man say, I internet alone, the man that see racism, innit? I was telling Christmas this the other day. Someone said to me that they never knew what racism was until they left Jamaica and went to England. Manners. Good, my G. Yeah, my father, man. But yeah, people here are not racist. They don't even know what he is. It's when you go to America in England and you find out what it's. Do you know what I mean? Fucking hell, bro.
You want it, man.
That is it. Catch it. We're outside, man, fully active. You know what? Look at this smile. Oh, she's so beautiful. Look. Can I keep you then, yeah? You come with me? All right. Bless. There, man. Christmas this is there. Nice to see you again, bro.
Yes.
Grand spend today.
It's an honor.
Yeah. A new friend. Me and her partner. Yep, that's it. It's just me and you now.
Shop. And them time they see that from 1950.
All right.
Yeah.
What about Billy Reds? Who is this?
Billy
Can we walk it?
Reds is an icon from Cleveland, you get me? Great football, you get me? We lost him. You know what I'm saying? He went over, he played football one evening and everybody calling him the next day and nobody don't see him and my mom just go over there, see him also. And I want to go over there and then find him dying and dead. Dead in that bed. So they don't know who he is.
Right, them dead footballers, see there, people. You're on Fagan Square. See me. Grand spend, people. Joe. Wooi per style, we put style in style. If it goes after style, we put it in style. This is me. Christmas list to get in vlog, grand spend. Laughs them out today, people. Blood fire. Rucko peg. Grand spend. Yeah, so basically there's been a bit of a lot of war lately. So somebody did get killed who was quite known in the area. I'm not gonna say too much and talk too much, like I don't actually know the ins and outs, but after that there was repercussions. You know, some was speculating that Joshie was involved, and that is it. MJ. So people them speculate, say, you know, the artist involved, and there was repercussions and there was shoot ups, and then just the other day they killed Joshie's brother, and yeah, there's been a lot of war lately in our Grand Spend. So people them are definitely looking for some peace at the moment. Yeah. Mama, what's up? Never mind. Trenches. You know what I'm saying? This is how people live.
So have you spent much time here in Grand Spend?
Yeah. I'm quite familiar with the place, yeah, because I've been linked with George for years.
Yeah.
So kind of my place. I've done video shoots here, and like these are one of my places where I would kind of pull up, just kind of pull up. Only on this side of it though, because obviously there's.
So right now
parts
the
of
two
Grand
sides clashing amongst each other?
All right, now we are walking to lead against Avenue.
Yeah.
The one that said Joshie come from, the artist.
You know what? The day I was with you, I was supposed to be in the studio with Joshie. And I
Okay.
apologize because I missed the studio session.
Right.
Yeah. This is the area I believe also. Great selector that played boom. So it's a musical community also.
Man, what community is Jamaican?
I know, yeah.
So, right down the street here, that's where Shane Skull is from. He was featured with Massacre in the song called Promise.
Yeah.
Alright, now Shane Skull, big up yourself, he's in Montreal.
Yeah.
He's not here. So reaching us. You know what I'm saying? But he's the one who have the connection with Massacre. They went to school together. So Massacre will be here also. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
In the Grand Spend community right here. So I'm saying? So it's a community that brings a lot of artists in the place also because of the talent that the community has.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Not just young and you know the violence that occur on the next side. You know what I'm saying? A lot of people might say, yo, Grand Spend bad. Yeah, Yeah, you have good people in a grand spend and you have, you know, bad people seeing you. Understand?
This is where they shot the first brother. And that's Josh's mum's place there. And this is where they shot the brother. And this is where it all fucking started from. It actually started from when I was here last time, people. Actually started from when the last time I was here. So right here is where it just kicked off again. Literally when I was here the last time, they killed the brother here. And then, I'm the son, man. Yo. You not call me, man.
In my bed.
You not call me. I'll be a girl. Yo. That thing, I'd be. That is it. Fully active. That is it. So I soon get my feature.
Yeah,
I soon.
Jackson the making man. I'm there. One basic, you know.
Fam. That words. Yeah, man. Bad artist.
Celebrities out.
Celebrities, them. Oh. Even Falco. Him left him girl.
The wet name, Morals, our wet name, Mural. Mural.
Watch it, madam. Watch it.
Good vibe. You see, Chris, he's got his respect here. I'll give him that. He's got his respect where he goes. Yeah.
Somebody
True.
recognize Chris.
All over
Yeah.
the world, not just Jamaica.
Worldwide. Not
Yeah.
just Jamaica.
Yeah. That is
One
it.
of them everywhere.
Everywhere.
One Falco. Family. That is it, my bro. Big up yourself. That is it. Fully outside. No. Yeah, man. One gets a president.
I go all the time.
Right.
Radam!
Don't fuck up! You hear that? Fully active, my father. Outside, grand spend, one badness, you know how the thing go.
Never saw that coming.
I see you, man. On the job.
That is it, man. Yeah?
Show my feelings in a alcohol. Mental discard, judge me my wings are quick for fall. But against the one, no see no man at all. God and my gun and me alone when me not the dance hall. When you see me go like me, I got a war. Still a reason with myself, take a minute, me and God attack. If I never be prayers, them would have killed me, yeah. Tarnish the name, just to get out. But I feel me to the pain now. The motor days of my bad. I feel me to the pain now. I can't get it out. Feel immune to the pain, but just a live on. Feel immune to the pain, no. You think of that, miss it easier, me mash up my ceiling, numb to my toenail, my foot now.
But unfortunately, people, the lifestyle of an artist, we can't continue to do the grand spend episode and show you anymore because we got to go for a video shoot. Yeah, Energy. So we've left Chris. Christmas list is doing his thing still. You know he's dedicated to that. Me and the G. We're going downtown, music video, Turn Red. The big song. I might as well just carry on filming down there, to be honest. Yeah, we're going downtown now. We're getting to the UK. Everything. Holy acting father. Wooi, blood clots, fucking out of here. Fucking out of the kitchen, she want fucking out of the chair. Wooi, people. Yo, yeah, it's the morning time. So basically, I never did end up filming more because it was just busy when I was doing the shoot. But we shoot the music video, the first day of the music video for Turn Red, downtown Kingston. And yeah, good vibes, man. I'm not gonna actually do a big up section today either because today is Thursday, I leave tomorrow and I've got a lot of stuff to do today, people. And I'm just literally editing and putting the episode up for today, to go out today. And I've got a freestyle to do, a new freestyle. I've got an interview for the TV and some more vlogs. I want to try and get another episode done for you whilst I'm out here. So I'm gonna just forget the big up section, rush out, get some more content for you. And because there's some really nice seafood spots, so I might do a seafood episode. But yeah, good vibes, people. Like I say, the place is nice now. The war looks like it's kind of calmed down a little bit in Grand Spend, so hopefully peace and love in the community, you know? I'll see you soon, people. Wooi.